Hello students, we are talking about resistors. What is the meaning of resistor? A resistor is a device which offers some resistance, some obstruction in the path of current. Resistors can be of three types. Simple wire offers resistance, that is resistance wire. Generally high resistance wire are nichrome, manganene, constantan, etc. These are having high resistivity, so they offer high resistance. Second type of resistance can be in the form of coil resistors. Coil resistors are also made up of alloys. And another kind of resistor which is used in most of the electronic equipments are carbon resistors. Very commonly used in electronic circuits are carbon resistors. What are the carbon resistors? Carbon resistors are cylindrical type having two ends, and there are colored rings, three colored rings on one side and fourth one at the end separately. The resistors have a set of coaxial rings, colored rings on them. The first two rings from the end indicate the first two significant figures of the resistance, and the third band indicates decimal multiplier. Third one for multiplier. These are for two significant figures, and fourth band shows tolerance, that means percentage variation, tolerance. So how to read the value of a carbon resistor? By knowing the colored bands, there is a procedure. First two bands shows the significant figures, third band multiplier, fourth tolerance. Right? The last band sometimes absent, that means tolerance 20% variation or error. So there is a table. We can read the value of carbon resistor by knowing these colors, and this fourth color sometimes does not exist. So there is a table, we can remember that table and we can read the value of carbon resistor. So look at the table here. There are 9 colors, 9 possible colors are black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white, gold, silver, right? So these colors are to be remembered in this sequence because their code is in serial order here, 0 to 9, and multiplier is also arranged serially. So we have to remember these name of these colors according to this serial. Then it will be very convenient to remember the code and multiplier. There is a trick to remember the colors in this sequence. See, BBROY, BBROY, Roy. We can say somebody BB Roy. 5 colors we have remembered. Of Great Britain. Has very good wife. BGW. Has very good wife. So now you have remembered all the 9 colors. B, B, R, O, Y, G, great, B, very good wife. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 0 to 9. You have to remember that first B stands for black, then second B is for brown, right? And third B B occurs 3 times. Third B stands for blue. See, B appears here 3 times. Black, brown, blue. And rest of the colors you can recall. R for red, O for orange, yellow, and so on. So now, let us take an example. We have, suppose, 4 colors on a carbon resistor. 3 colors from one end and 4th will be separate. Suppose the colors are yellow, violet, and green, and 4th band is gold. Right? Then what will be the resistance? So first of all, you see the code of first 2 colors. Yellow. What is the code of yellow color? You see, look at the table. Yellow code is 4. What is the code of violet color? 7. So resistance becomes 47. And third color is green. So what is the multiplier of green? You have to see the multiplier of third color. Green multiplier is 10 to the power 5. So once again, yellow code is 4, violet code is 7, into third color we take multiplier of third color. Green multiplier of green color is 10 to the power 5, and 4th band shows the tolerance, that is percentage variation. For gold, percentage variation, that is tolerance, is 5%. So this is the resistance, 47 into 10 to the power 5 ohm plus minus 5%. Take another example and try to find out the resistance by color code method. If resistance is given, we can find out the color. Resistance is given here, 36 into 10 to the power 4 ohm plus minus 10%. Then what are the colors? What are the colors? Now, remember the color code. 3 is the code for orange color. Look at the table. Once again, we have 36 into 10 to the power 4. So 36. Here we have 3 and 6 for blue, 3 for orange. So we have first color orange and then second color blue. 36, 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4 is multiplier for which color here? It is multiplier of for yellow color. So resistance will be 3 is the code for orange color. First color will be orange. Second color 6. Code 6 is for blue color. And third 10 to the power 4. This is tolerance for yellow color. And last band will be for percentage variation tolerance. 10% is for silver. Last band, 4th band will be either gold or silver. If there is no color, if there are only 3 bands, then it would mean 20% variation. But here it is 10%, which is for silver. Take another example. We have, suppose, carbon resistor which has colored bands as red, 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 and then silver. What will be its resistance? So red, first color, and second color, we have to see the code. That means they will give you significant figures. So what will be the code for red color? Look at the table. Code of red color is what? BBR. its code is 2012. So red, code of red color is 2, again red 22. Multiplier for red color is 10 raised to power 2 ohm, plus minus, see the tolerance for silver 10%. So 1 mark question is asked in board exam. Sometimes colors are given and question is what is the resistance of this carbon resistor, and sometimes resistance is given and question is what are the colors of carbon resistors. So you will see 1 mark question in board exam. It has been asked several times in past 10 years.